Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we have for sale a Yamaha XR750. It's a 1980s bike, but it's been completely rebuilt from the bottom up. We have pictures and videos all describing the build from start to finish, taking the engine out, painting, rebuilding, front end, rear end, cutting, everything on the bike is documented. It's actually got a Yamaha R1 front end as well, and it's got a button push to start as well. It's a really beautiful bike, very well made, bobber style. So usually we'll go from front to rear on condition basis. Front tyre is perfect, front mudguard again perfect. It's got the Yamaha R1 dual front disc brakes, front headlamp with LED indicators, perfect condition. Same with the grips, black grips, lovely Yamaha gold stickering, slight scrape here in the tank. As you can see, the tank or the engine itself has been painted in this lovely black, all in very nice condition. Has got a full dohc exhaust system, not just the end, but the full exhaust system. Yamaha side badge, all custom made here. Rear disc, rear tyres perfect as well. Everything perfect, even the alloy's been painted in black, stealth black colour. 2 keys, push button start, engine, custom speedo, and we'll have to start. It's in, and look at that. Beautiful. It's only quarter throttle as well. Don't want to rev her too hard, which is just starting. Absolutely brilliant. I mean, definite show bike, 1980s classic bobber. So if you're interested in a bike like this, it'll be up for sale on our Facebook page and our Done Deal page at Retro Bikes Dublin.